Hey guys, this is my first vlog and I'm going to microwave a Cheetos bag. I already put the Cheetos bag in the microwave. So now we gotta put timer to 5 seconds. 5 seconds, you can see that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it smells like ass. Oh. Ew. No. Oh, it smells like ass. Ooh, no. Oh, dude, my micro. Oh. Well, I just did that, and it smells like ass in here now. Ugh, it puts a breeze. So, I know it's pretty short video, but this is my first vlog, apparently you can say that, and I microwaved a Cheetos bag, and you could still see the logo, and you could still see the nutrition pack, and that's just crazy. So don't try this at home if you're gonna do it, and thank you. Subscribe, my little kittens, and I'll see you next time.